All right, hey there, small town America. So, as we're cruising along the boardwalk here in beautiful weather here in Florida, we just happened to run across this iconic statue. It's right here behind me. The iconic statue of the Unconditional Surrender. You might remember this. This is the surrender of World War II. This statue was actually purchased by a World War II veteran. It's stationed right here in the marina, and it's on loan to the city for the next 10 years. What an amazing story, what an amazing time. It's part of history. Don't forget, our mission here is to protect our history, preserve our heritage. Get in the truck, small town America.
Get in the truck, small town America.
In the throes of the 20th century, the world found itself embroiled in a conflict of unprecedented scale, World War II. This was a time of courage, sacrifice, and ultimately triumph of the human spirit. Among the countless stories born out of this era, one image stands out: the Unconditional Surrender statue. This iconic statue had its roots in a photograph taken on August 14, 1945, marking the end of World War II. A jubilant sailor, overcome with relief and joy, spontaneously embraced a nurse in Times Square, New York, and dipped her in a kiss. This moment, frozen in time by photographer Alfred Eisenstaedt, became a symbol of the end of a long and arduous war. In 2005, artist Seward Johnson sought to bring this photograph to life. He sculpted a 25-foot tall statue capturing the sailor and the nurse in their intimate moment of celebration. Crafted from bronze and aluminum, the statue, christened Unconditional Surrender, stands as a larger-than-life tribute to the end of World War II. The statue has since journeyed across the United States, making appearances in San Diego, Sarasota, and Pearl Harbor. It has sparked conversations, inspired awe, and drawn criticism, ever a symbol of a world at the brink of a new era. Looking back to the roots of the Unconditional Surrender statue, we've traced its origins to a photograph that captured the euphoria of a war's end. We've followed its creation by artist Seward Johnson, a man inspired by the raw emotion of that historic moment. And we've traveled with the statue across the United States, witnessing its impact on the landscapes and conversations it has touched. In essence, the Unconditional Surrender statue is more than just a piece of art. It's a tribute to the end of a tragic period in human history, a symbol of relief, of joy, and of the resilience of the human spirit. It stands as a reminder that even in the darkest of times, moments of spontaneous joy can illuminate the world, and that, in the end, love and peace will always triumph over war and strife. As we wrap up, remember this: history isn't just found in textbooks, it's etched in the faces of a sailor and a nurse, captured in a spontaneous kiss. It's immortalized in 25 feet of bronze and aluminum, and it's waiting for you, in places you might least expect, to tell you its story. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more history and heritage videos. Like, share, and follow us. Small Town America.